Here everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. So if your favorite aren't appearing, don't worry, I will show you how to fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and then check for updates and install the latest version. Old version of Instagram can cause some songs to be missing. Another reason is Instagram music may not be available for all account types. Business accounts sometimes have limited music access due to licensing restriction. So if possible, switch to create or a personal account. Go to the settings and then business, tools and control. And then find a switch account type. This often restores the full music library. And another way is to clear the cache or reinstall. Sometimes the app cache can cause issues. On Android, go to the settings and clear cache. On iOS, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram. After doing this, log in again and check the music. And finally, the last one, check your region. Some songs are restricted in certain countries due to licensing. So if you're in a restricted region, certain tracks won't appear. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.